No, but we're just fine. Hi, this is Carl Stanischild from Sony. We're here at ISE at the Sony booth, and behind me you can see our TEOS workplace solutions. So at Sony, we really are a leader in the corporate workplace solutions market, and we have a whole range of solutions from orchestrating the full workplace, creating content, controlling devices, to visitor sign-in solutions, room booking solutions, and also meeting room solutions, controlling meeting rooms, having a smart display in the room that can pull information such as temperature, CO2, and other information from sensors, but also show the agenda of the meeting. We have other options like this as well, which shows an overview of all the meetings and the status of those meetings on a floor at an office. We even have different signage solutions such as survey, a corporate TV, a traditional signage. So across the whole workplace, we can provide solutions that meet the needs of employees and visitors and make them more efficient and make them more, their workdays more simplified and smooth. So thanks a lot for that, and you can visit our website to get more information. It's pro.sony/TEOS.